Alright, what's poppin'? LA Cotty Tips here. Let's get straight into it. So today I'm going to be talking about clutch cable adjustments. Most people don't know how to do this, but let's refer to the workshop manual, and let's keep it as basic as possible. So let's go down to this diagram, and this is just going to be like a beginner reference. You want the wide part of this little notch to be around 5 millimeters and around less than a millimeter right here on the short end, just so your throttle cable, doesn't get too slacky or the clutch doesn't slip. After adjusting it, you should get a range like what's easier to put like your bike on neutral. If it feels too hard to put it on neutral, just slide it a little bit more towards this corner. But if it feels like you have too much like clutch engagement, you can take it back a little. And that's pretty much it. It's a short little tutorial, but thanks. Share and subscribe if you guys like the videos, and yeah.